In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Beehiiv subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided to try something new, or just need to pause your subscription for a few months, I'm here to guide you through each step, making sure the entire process is as simple and stress-free as possible. First, we're going to make our way to the Beehiiv website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address. Once you're on the home page, the next logical step is to find the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and it will take you to the login page. From here you have a few options for signing in. We're going to keep things straightforward and opt to sign in with Google. So look for the option that says sign in with Google and click on it. You'll be prompted to select the Google account associated with your Beehiiv subscription, or you may need to enter your login information if you haven't saved it previously. After you're signed in, locate your profile photo. This is also usually in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and a drop down menu should appear. Within this menu, you're going to want to find and select the account security option. This area is crucial as it controls various aspects of your personal account details. Now, there's an important consideration here. Deleting your workspace means deleting your entire account profile and effectively cancelling your subscription. So, if this is something you're sure you want to do, continue on with confidence. Next, click the option that says Take me to my workspace settings. A new page will load where you have multiple options regarding your workspace. Scroll down this page until you find an option labeled Delete Workspace. This is the primary action that will lead to the cancellation of your subscription. Clicking on Delete Workspace will likely bring up a prompt asking if you're absolutely sure you want to proceed. This precaution is in place to help you avoid any accidental deletions. If you're certain about moving forward, go ahead and click Delete. All done. You've successfully gone through all the necessary steps to cancel your Beehiiv subscription. This process not only cancels your subscription, but also removes your presence from the platform entirely. Should you choose to come back in the future, you'll need to create a new account. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.